Exactly that. Hi, Shivangi. Good morning. What's your trade, Shivangi? Do you think the Nifty has enough triggers to move higher from here on? Or would you consider taking a short position around these levels?
Yes. Hi, Nigel. Good morning. Thank you for having me on the show. So we've seen that Nifty has got stuck in a very narrow range from the last 7 to 8 sessions. Now, as we move ahead to the monthly expiry for the March series, we are seeing that the volumes are quite shallow because of the various, triggers that have been coming in from the global bourses as well as our market. Now, the sector specific, if we, talk about some of the sectors are supporting the index today. Even heavyweight stocks are supporting. So somewhere the bounces can be seen, of course, but the absence of follow-up buying at higher zones is somewhat creating a kind of a negative for the market. So we could see a bounce towards 17,171 levels, but overall pressure is to remain, and the lower levels to watch out for would be 16,850 levels. So the index is likely to remain in a range of this sort. Talking about Bank Nifty, it comparatively it was in less weakness from the last two sessions as compared to Nifty, and today we've seen that it slightly breached the low of the previous session, but then again bounce was seen, and it is holding well today as well. Because of the support of the heavyweight banking stocks. So now looking at Bank Nifty, the levels on the upside are 39,750 and 40,000 levels, and on the downside, one could watch out for 39,000 levels.
All right, those are individual index levels. Just a word on some stocks, Shivangi, because Reliance, as we pointed out, has seen a big surge from the lows, currently at the high point of trade, supporting the index. But usually what happens is that if you have one stock supporting the index, any bit of weakness in that stock takes the index down with it as well. Your thoughts on Reliance and the other stocks that you have with you?
Absolutely, Mangalam. So, we've seen that this kind of a market that we are trading in now, from the last, 2 months, slight triggers are actually affecting the market, and the market is not being able to hold at higher levels, which is a cause of concern. Even the volatility index, that is India Mix, is at higher zones and is not cooling off. So, this is also one such trigger which is acting on the market. Now, talking about Reliance, of course, we've seen some sort of, strength today, but then on my radar today is ITC. This stock is coming out of its consolidation on weekly frame and holding well despite all the market volatility. Now, this stock is also getting tailwind from the entire sector, as some of the other names like Dabur is also doing quite well. So we are seeing the previous day short, which is being covered, and the overall increasing rollover as we head towards the monthly expiry week is quite remarkable. So recommending a buy here with a target of around 395 and a stop loss near 370 levels. My second pick on radar is Dalmia Bharat. This stock has negated its lower highs on weekly frame, and thereafter follow-up buying can be seen in the stock. So, this stock is looking quite good on the charts technically, and the derivatives data are also indicating a good potential of an upside, a good risk reward at these levels. So, recommending a buy here with a target near 1920 levels and a stop near 1810.
All right, Shivangi, thank you so much for joining in and giving us your calls on the index as well as individual stocks. Let's talk about our